Math Gangster for life! T-method factoring. Here we go. Going to show you how we can take a quadratic trinomial and break it down into two binomials. So here we go. The first step here, get a pen and paper and follow along with me. If I'm going too fast, just hit the pause button. Step one is you need to find A, B, and C. And since this is a quadratic, we have ax squared plus bx plus c. And in this case, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 6, and c is equal to 8. These are the coefficients in front of the numbers. The second thing I am going to do is this is key. You are going to make a t-chart. And on this t-chart, you are going to put A times C on top and B over here. And so if you look, step 2, I'm going to make my t-chart and put 1 times 8, which is 8, and 6 over here. And now what I need to do, this is where knowing your times tables comes into play. You are going to look for factors that give you A times C and add up to B. Here's the tricky part. If you can't get this right away, what I suggest you to do is label all the ways you can get 8. I got 1 times 8. I got 2 times 4. I can do the reverse 4 times 2 and 8 times 1. I can also do negative 1 times negative 8. And also negative 2 times negative 4. Take a look at this list of numbers I put together and circle the pair that works. 2 times 4 gives me 8, and 2 plus 4 gives me 6. So 2, 4 is the key number pair. Step number 4, I'm going to put a star by this. Rewrite your equation with your new numbers. And in parentheses, I'm going to put B term. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to write this out. This is going to become 1x squared, and this is step 4. 1x squared plus 2x plus 4x plus 8. And if you look closely, here's my 8 in yellow. Here's my 1x squared right here. And if I get right here, 2x plus 4x, that really is 6x. I have not changed the problem. I've just manipulated it to help me out. If I were to collect my like terms in blue, I would be right back where I started from. Now, my favorite thing to do, step 5, we're going to split it down the middle with a T. We're going to T up. Here we go. Let's tee this motherfucker up. Split it. We just teed it up. Step 6. 5 we'll put over here as my T split. Step 6, what can I factor out on the left? Factor out on the left. And if I look here, I have 1x squared plus 2x. I'm going to raise the screen just a tad. I can pull out an x and get x plus 2. If I were to distribute that x back in like this, I would get what I had on the top left. This is a great way to self-check to see if I'm getting it right. Let me take away those. Whatever I have here on the left, I'm going to write it on the right because in algebra, I need to balance both sides. So 7, I'm going to write balance both sides with your left side parentheses. And if you look here, I got it balanced on both sides. Now I need to find the magical number that goes out in front. What number do I have to put out in front that is going to make this statement true? And if I look here, it's got to be a 4 because 4 times x gives me 4x, that's what's above, and 4 times 2 gives me 8, which is above. So that magical number has to be 4. You take away these little arches. Step 8, find the number that makes the right side true. Now, if you take a look here, I got this couple on the left and the same couple over here on the right. I like to think of this as you're going to Club Quadratics to do some math problems, and you got a couple together, and you kind of got a friend with you, and this person has a friend with them over there. Well, since they don't have anybody, they hook up. And this gives me x plus 4, and I write down one of my couples, x plus 2. I have just factored this problem. If you don't believe me, I'm going to write here x plus 4 times x plus 2. And if we use the FOIL method, x times x, x squared, plus 2x, plus 4x, plus 8. And if I collect my like terms, x squared plus 6x plus 8. Just factored this trinomial. Adding my last step here, pair up outside numbers slash variables and write down one repeating couple. Math gangster for life. That's what I'm talking about. Doing math and making friends. Math gangster for life.